how to set the display mode to default, high contrast, or enlarge display on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. In here, you can choose between high contrast. So select one of the options and then tap on applied. I'll choose enlarge display and then tap on applied. And here I will remove, set back to default, and then choose enlarge display and tap on applied. And then tap on the back key, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.